Today I will finalize some reports, which is in a program called PMAP for Sustainability. It's an EU program to support SMEs, to have training related to digitalization, green transition, internationalization. And it was truly fantastic to actually see these 3 SMEs, what they're doing related to advanced materials and digitalization, because I learned a lot while I was sharing insights from my experiences about their journey. So I recommended some things for them, found some insights from their cases. So that was very interesting that we could exchange learnings between SMEs from the advanced materials research and innovation. So that is a good thing to do, actually, to step out of your own domain and then look in the broader context of something else, and then we will understand much more of our own cases.